Welcome back, guys, to another trip report. Current time is around 8:30 p.m. and I am at John F. Kennedy International Airport for my 11 p.m. flight. I just dropped my bag. For my 11 p.m. flight to Dubai, Dubai International Airport, halfway across the world. Duration of this flight is 12 hours, 45 minutes. We're departing out of gate A6, so yeah, hop on board with me. And I am sitting in the concourse as of now. I realized in the last video I forgot to say what airline I was traveling and what class I was traveling in, so I am traveling in Emirates Airlines on their Airbus A380 flagship carrier in economy class. Yeah, I decided to review this only because it's a different airline. I've done a lot of United reviews so far, and if it was Newark Airport departing a United flight out of Newark, I wouldn't have started to record this. As you saw in the earlier montage, JFK Airport, especially Terminal 4, has a lot of shops, restaurants, and it's overall a better place. I'm getting better vibes from this terminal than Terminal C at Newark. But then again, this airport does have more airlines, does have more gates, and it does get a more patient volume. But I have 2 hours until boarding. So yeah, I'm just going to sit here and wait for my flight for the next 2 hours. We are going to get 3 meals served on board. Dinner shortly after takeoff, then light bites, and then brunch served right before landing. I'll show you guys all the menus of these meals when the appropriate time is there. So, yeah. And I'll see you on board. And I was not able to record the boarding process because of how hectic it was, but now I'm on the plane, and I must say, my first impression of Emirates economy is very positive. Let me quickly just show you the cabin. Not everyone's on yet. Huge screens. We're gonna get meals on this. Every seat has headphones. Amazing so far. First impression is very positive. Get that wing out here. Huge as hell. So let's turn around. And yeah, so this is my seat, 60H, for the next 13 hours. This is the seat. If I take a seat here, okay, they've already dimmed the lights. That's very nice. Ample leg room because I'm a short person. Their ICE entertainment screen with more than 5,000 TV shows, movies, and games. I can select the language. I have a foldable table here too. I must say, very nice. Oh, look, a TV remote too for me to... I'm pretty sure this also functions as a controller to play games, but I guess I'll have to see this later. Oh, and look, it detaches too, as you can see over there. So it does function as a controller, but yeah, see you in the air in Emirates Airbus A380 800 economy class. Good product so far. airborne at around 20,000 feet currently, but my TV screen has just been shut off. It didn't play any movie or TV show since takeoff, since even before takeoff actually. Everyone else's TVs worked. Mine didn't. Now take a look. My screen has gone all black, whereas other screens are playing movies, TV shows, and stuff. The reason why people's screens are black and the others is because they're asleep. They're asleep. Well, I'm not asleep. I've been trying since before takeoff to get my TV to work, so I hope something gets done quickly about this. Otherwise, I will not be happy at all. Shortly after this, dinner was served. On the menu was an Indian vegetarian option as well as a non-vegetarian option. As you can see, this is a lot more food than you would get in economy class on any North American carrier. In the middle tray are crackers accompanied by a chocolate, cream cheese, and butter for the bread roll. We were also given metal cutlery to eat our main course, as well as a Greek salad and a chocolate caramel dessert, and a bottle of water. Overall, this meal was very tasty, and the food was very, very fresh, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. After this, the cabin was dimmed, and it was time for people to get their rest. And good morning from the aircraft still. There's still 6.5 hours until we touch down in Dubai, but everyone here just woke up from a long nap, which is why my voice sounds horrible, but it's light outside. It's local time in the United States. Eastern time is 5:10 a.m. and I was just served a box of Stonefire pizza, so we'll see how it is. In addition to the pizza, we were also offered a drink. This pizza was some of the best pizza I've ever tasted. Now, let's talk about Emirates' world-class entertainment system. On their system, which they call ICE, ICE stands for Information, Communication, and Entertainment. In their most notable subsection of this, the Entertainment subsection, you can see that they have a wide variety of movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music too that you can watch all throughout your flight. There are up to 5,000 movies, TV shows, and other options for entertainment. You can also watch live sports on the Emirates Entertainment section, or watch informational videos about Dubai and the United Arab Emirates. This is a very comprehensive in-flight entertainment system by Emirates, and it will never get you bored. You will always find something to do on an Emirates flight. In their communications tab of the ICE section, they have all of the things including Wi-Fi and connectivity, as well as their cool feature which allows you to communicate from one seat to another. In their information subsection, they have, as mentioned earlier, videos about Dubai and the United Arab Emirates. In addition to this, a feature that they have that I found very cool was called the Qibla compass. The Qibla compass consists of two components. The first component is an arrow pointing to the Kaaba located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. And the second component was a list of all the different prayer times practiced in Islam. Another thing they have in their informations tab is the flight details. So the flight details show everything about the flight, including cruising altitude, current altitude, local time at origin, and local time at destination, as well as many other things. Something only Emirates has specifically are in-flight cameras, which show the outside of the plane at any point during. As we were flying over the Persian Gulf, breakfast was served. As you can see, the breakfast was also very filling, and it was served with a side of fruits, vegetables, and a bread roll. I especially liked the gesture that they showed before serving economy class breakfast, as they gave everyone a hot towel to help them freshen up after their sleep.
Your seat must be upright with the armrest down and your seatbelt securely fastened. Fold away your tray table and footrest and open your window blinds. Laptops must be switched off and safely stored, and your electronic devices must be in flight mode or switched off. Please read the safety card in your seat pocket to make sure you're aware of your nearest exit and the aircraft safety features. Thank you.
So as you guys just heard, we'll be arriving in Dubai shortly. In about 43 minutes it says here, but I do not think it'll take that long. It'll maybe take another 20-25 minutes from here. Cruise altitude 39,000 feet. Right now we're down to 32,000 feet. So to summarize the flight, we were given 2 meals but 1 intermediate, and they were really nice meals. I mean, dinner and brunch completely exceeded expectations, and the pizza too that we got for the middle meal was spectacular. Emirates probably has the best in-flight entertainment out of any airline in the world. Ample leg room, the seats are very nicely sized, and I actually did not see a speck of dirt on this cabin at all. Unlike United that I've seen in the past couple of months, their cabins are filthy, yet Emirates here, they just managed to keep their cabins so clean, so kudos to them. Another additional thing, we were also given an amenity kit which contained a toothbrush, toothpaste, and an eye patch. So, oh yeah, and socks too. So that's good. So it's a little bit of a business class touch that they put on economy. So yeah, I'd give this flight a high rating. I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, we'll see you on the ground. As you guys can see, I'm safe and sound on the ground at Dubai International Airport. So thank you for tuning in to this video, and as always, I shall see you in the next one.